Hello guys, Raven, SKIN.CLUB again. If you want to play with SKIN.CLUB, link in the description and pin it comments guys, click link in the description and get us 7% deposit bonus. Guys, today I have a 10k. If you want to deposit side and play with SKIN.CLUB, click this deposit button is here. Any deposit methods is here: Visa, Mastercard, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Netsurf, PayPal, Crypto, CS2 skins. Any deposit methods is here. If you want to 7% deposit bonus and free balance, link in the description. If you pay $100, you get $107. Don't forget this. Okay, I'm going to first the battles. I try expensive battles today. Firstly, I try Lady Luck 5 times, overtimes 5 times, this case 5 times. Okay, looks good guys. 4k. Let's go. I try this. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Trader is good. Last Lady Luck. Bro, what is this? Okay, not so bad. Hyper waste. Okay. Let's go bayonets. Oh, this is really good. $500. So close Vulcan. Okay. Oh, pretty cheap save it's bro. This fast. Star Trek. Oh, that's bad. Venus move. Okay, Maelstrom. Bad one. 3 more. Maelstrom. Trader again. Last 2 kill confirm. Oh no. This 5-7 is so bad. Let's go Asimo. This is more battle. Okay. Oh, okay, no problem. Diamond skins, come on. Print trim. Oh, this bad. Player true. Okay. Prince from one more. Okay, gross. Let's go Arid. No, this good. This good. One more please. No, this is so bad. Last 3 grow case. So bad. No, and last case. Oh, okay, that's good. Let's go legendary halls, so important. Let's go, that's good. And last case, who's gonna win guys? Okay, we win this battle. I think we win this battle. Please. But this is close guys, this is really close. Yeah, 5k. That's really good. 1.3k profit. So good. Guys, I'm going to firstly 5 this case. Let's go. I'll try this. Oh, and okay, that's good. Let's go. Okay, this is so bad. So bad too. No, that's so bad, yeah. Okay, one more top battle. Okay, double fight case. We're gonna do this, guys. We're gonna do this. Okay. No, we are so bad. Okay. Last 2 kills, but we lose, I think. We had the exclusive drop. Maybe exclusive drop save us. No. Okay, we lose this. Oh, yeah, that's bad. Okay, guys, I'm going to cases. I try. Where's this case? Guys, I try fantastic or. Okay, I try fantastic case 5 times. Let's go. Let's go. This is crazy, guys. Let's go, man. Bad. Fire serpents. Blaze. No, this is so bad. This is really bad, guys. This is really, really bad. Okay. What can I try? I try risky. Let's go. My toes get this so risky. No. No, man. This is so bad. What can I do? Okay, 3 times this. Okay, that's bad. Guys, I'm going to upgrade 5 page. I try upgrade this. Yeah, this 3 page. 3k. Fate. Let's go. Right. Come on, man, please. Bro. Guys, I'm so bored for this. Okay, I try one more left. Let's go, one more fade. No. This is not better. Let's go left. Please, bro, that's so close. Yes, get it. That's really good. Okay. Okay, one more try. Let's go, one more butterfly knife. Left one more. Please, bro, please, please, please. So close. Yes, get in. This good one. Okay, this is really good. I try. Okay, this looks good. One more left. Please, bro, please, 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 please. Yes, get him, bro. We are so good. We are so good, guys. And lastly, last chance, guys. Last chance. Gamma Doppler, maybe. I try. Right. Let's go. Let's go, please. Guys, that's so close. That's so close. That's so close. Yes, get him, man. Get him. This is really good. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thanks for watching my video, guys. If you want to play with SKIN.CLUB, link in the description and pin it comments. See you later again.